Hello, hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Amanda's Crafty Corner. I am Amanda, and this is my crafting corner. Well, today I got my very first Diamond Art Club diamond painting. I'm so excited. For those who don't know, Diamond Art Club, they are a diamond painting only company. They have the tools and accessories for it as well. They are a licensed company, so they have, I don't even know how to explain Diamond Art Club to those that don't know it. I'm going to open it up, actually. I know you can't see it. So Diamond Art Club, as I said, deals with everything diamond art. They're having, so for today only, they're doing 25% off site-wide with code THANKYOU25. I will post everything in the description box below, including the link for my diamond painting. They are also I'm going to call it unboxing. They are revealing 100 new designs. So they're doing both on Facebook and Instagram. So if you haven't followed Diamond Art Club, please go check them out. The shipping was actually pretty fast, even though they were kind of wrong on the dates. They told me by November 20th it would be here. I actually got this yesterday. But that's okay, considering when I ordered it and everything. I'm not going to complain. Customer service is awesome. With that said, I actually got a diamond painting pen with a 1 single tip applicator with 2, 4, and 7 multi-placer adapters. So I actually want to open this up first because I won't lie, purple is my favorite color. And then I will get into the actual diamond painting. So here it is. This lovely, is the other one in here? Yep, it just doesn't want to come out. So here's the pen. It's a nice purple with like a magenta color. So this is the 4-placer. Here is the 7-placer. It's actually not that bad. Although, for those who know me, I am more of a, I like the metal over the plastic. So that is that. I'm just going to attempt to stick this back in the box. Wrong one. Here we go. Just gonna put that back in the box, and without further ado, I will get into this. So I got the Wagon, which is by Randal Sprangler. I absolutely love and adore this one. You will see it, I promise. It is square because I love square. It's in centimeters, it's a 40 by 45, so 17.7 inches by 17.7 inches. So it also tells you what's in it. So how it works, and the contents: premium velvet, Trapulin canvas, color-coded resin diamonds, magic diamond applicator, comfort grip, multi-placer tweezers, 2 wax pads, craft tray, resealable baggies, inventory sheet with pre-cut sticker labels. So they come with everything, and I'm just trying to open this. With the plastic wrap, and then they have a scan for me to do for 10% off. So tomorrow is their big Black Friday sale, so please go check it out. Also, happy Thanksgiving to all my American friends. Like I said, I am from Canada. Mine was in October. So here's that. I honestly have no idea how to open this. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I got my little sticker, the Wagon. Look at how cute that is. It's 2 dragons in a wagon with a toy house, some blocks, and a plane. I thought this was going to be so cute for my son. Everything I get is for my son now. So there's that. My toolkit. My tweezers. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay. So we're going to take a look at the toolkit. Nice tweezers. Super, super nice. I love how it says Diamond Art Club on them. We're just gonna open. That's how I open things. I get a nice sparkly blue pen. Let's take a look. Here we go. Anything else in here? Nope. We've got some nice wax. Heart-shaped wax. We've got my little squeegee. Some more resealable bags. We get our washi tape. Ooh, they must know my favorite color is purple because this is uncanny now. Look how pretty that washi tape is. I've got some multiplayer stirs, like I said, the squeegee. They even gave a tray with this blockage so that you don't have to worry about anything spilling. And this cute little dolphin needle minder. I know they are getting rid of them, but that's okay. This is so cute. So I'm just going to put everything nicely back in. Pen. And let's get into the canvas. I'm going to pull this up as far as it can go. Make sure that this is super zoomed out. Yep. You get to see part of my body, so I'm just going to move it that way. It might fit. It might fit. So, a little thank you for the purchase in different languages. And they even have an app. Interesting. Interesting. They have an app. You get, you know. Oh, this is perfect because I can kit this up. There we go. So there are 58 colors. Yeah, that's right. There are 58 colors in this. Mr. Randal Sprangler, you are awesome. Like I said, it's 45 by 45. So it even has like a start date and end date. Oh, this is so cute. Before I get into that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to roll this the opposite way, just so that you can see the lovely canvas. Here it is. I'm going to put it this way. Look at how cute. I'm going to move it down. So Do What Makes You Sparkle is their logo, and it's got the serial number symbol and the color code all here on both sides. So we have a mixture of numbers, letters, symbols, what have you. I know it comes with some special drills, like I said. But this is super, super cute. Like I said, I really like it because it's got like the airplane, it's got a ball, it's got some books, it's got some blocks. It is so cute. Like, it's very bright, vibrant, and kind of in your face, but not really at the same time. I don't know. I love it. I love the feeling of this canvas. I'm going to trust them with the sticking. Oh, it's very sticky. Super, super sticky. And the nice thing is, it's not sticky on the outside. Only the canvas is sticky. I won't stick to it. Apparently some of the packing stuff. So, let's get into the diamonds. I just want see, because they are, it's fine. Here we go. I just want to see all these lovely diamonds because it's supposed to come with what did it say on here? Okay, so it's 119, 129, 131, 138 are my ABs, it looks like. And then Z 907, I think, is the fairy one. But let's take a look. Let's take a look. So, that's 100. Oh, yes, here's 131. Very sparkly. 129. Another nice sparkly one. It's the AB. AB means Aurora Borealis. It's just got a special coating on it. I'm just looking. There's 138. 131 and 121 is what I'm looking for. Oh, here's 119. Purple. Very sparkly. 119 is a number 1. So it's in the wagon. A lot of it is in the wagon. Number 2 is in the dragon's noses. I'd actually have to, it's in like the ball here. 1, 2, I need to look for 3s. So it's in the letters here and here. Yeah, so it's a lot of like, to make the background, I'm going to say pop. The toys, the wagon, that sort of stuff. Pop. Here's 128. I think I showed it. I have my camera way up high just so that it's easier for everybody to see. So you're probably going to roll away on me. Oh, and here is the fairy one, Z907. This one is so pretty. Super, super pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to be adding this to my whip collection. No, I wouldn't really be able to do it on this table. But I will definitely post pictures of when I do it. I think I'm going to roll on. I don't know, again, I'm going to re-show you 129. Oh, I'm super, super excited for this. If you haven't had a chance yet, please go check out the Diamond Art Club. I know they're a little bit on the expensive side, but tomorrow they are having a huge Black Friday sale. I'm not sure what, like, the percentage is, because apparently they change it up every year, so we will just have to see. And with that being said, I will definitely post the link for the Dragon Wagon. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving, a wonderful Thursday, a wonderful Friday. I will see you all later. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that bell button for the notifications. Like, comment, share my videos if you would like. And once again, I love everybody. I'll see you later.